If you're looking for how to make ice cream without a blender, there's a link in the description below. But today we're using a blender, and here's how it works. Start with your ingredients: heavy cream, sweetened condensed milk, sugar or caramel, whole milk or half and half, shredded coconut, and just a pinch of salt. Before you start, place a freezer-safe dish in the freezer. That way, when your ice cream's ready, you're not putting it into a warm bowl that could melt it. First, pour the cream into the blender. You want to blend until you get stiff peaks. This might take a couple of tries. I listened for a change in sound. Mine thickened up a bit, but still wasn't quite there. After 2 or 3 blends, I could finally lift some out with a spatula and see soft peaks forming. Basically, we're whipping air into the cream just like an ice cream maker would. Next, pour in the sweetened condensed milk, followed by the caramel, which is acting as our sugar, and the whole milk or half and half. Add that little bit of salt. It helps the flavor, but I forgot to show it in this clip. Once blended, pull your cold dish out of the freezer and pour in the mixture. Starting with a cold container helps keep everything chilled. If the dish is warm, the ice cream will start to melt right away. Now for the fun part, I mixed in shredded coconut and swirled in extra caramel. You can do big swirls, little swirls, however much you like. I didn't think mine had enough at first, so I added a bit more. The condensed milk and caramel make the texture softer since liquid sugars don't freeze solid. That said, mine still came out pretty firm, firmer than grocery store soft serve actually. Personally, I prefer the version without condensed milk because I'm more used to that taste. But this one's still rich and delicious, and again, if you want to try a version without a blender, that link is right in the description. Enjoy!